Taiwan is an island nation renowned for its culinary ingenuity. It boasts a rich agricultural heritage, particularly in peanut cultivation. Taiwan's peanut industry thrives on a legacy of skilled farming and advanced food processing techniques. This potent combination results in peanut butter of exceptional quality. Taiwanese peanut butter stands out for its rich flavor and smooth texture. It is a testament to the dedication and expertise of Taiwanese food manufacturers. The journey of Taiwanese peanut butter begins in the heartland of peanut cultivation. The counties of Yunlin and Chiayi are particularly famous for their peanut farms. These regions provide ideal growing conditions with fertile soil and ample sunshine. Farmers in these areas have cultivated peanuts for generations. They have honed their skills to produce peanuts of exceptional quality. The peanuts destined for peanut butter production are carefully selected. Only the finest peanuts, plump and uniform in size, make the cut. Once harvested, the peanuts embark on their transformation into peanut butter. The first crucial step is cleaning. The peanuts are meticulously sorted and cleaned. This removes any impurities such as dirt, debris, or damaged peanuts. The cleaning process involves sophisticated machinery and meticulous hand sorting. This ensures that only the highest quality peanuts proceed to the next stage. After cleaning, the peanuts undergo a drying process. This is essential to remove excess moisture. Roasting is the heart and soul of peanut butter production. It is a meticulous process that requires both precision and passion. The journey of a peanut from its raw state to a roasted delight is nothing short of magical. It is at this stage that the peanuts develop their characteristic aroma and flavor. The heat works its magic, coaxing out the natural oils and sugars within the peanuts, creating a symphony of taste and scent. The cleaned and dried peanuts are roasted to perfection. Each batch is carefully monitored to ensure that the peanuts are evenly roasted, achieving that perfect golden brown hue. They are roasted at precise temperatures for a specific duration. The temperature and time are crucial factors that determine the final flavor profile of the peanuts. Too hot, and they burn; too cool, and they remain raw. This process requires a deep understanding of peanut varieties and roasting techniques. Different varieties of peanuts have unique characteristics, and the roasting process must be tailored to bring out the best in each type. The roasting transforms the peanuts. It is a visual and olfactory spectacle, as the peanuts change color and release their rich, nutty aroma. They shed their raw edge and develop a deep, nutty flavor. This transformation is essential for creating the rich, creamy peanut butter that so many people love. The aroma of roasting peanuts fills the factory, a sensory delight that signals the transformation underway. It is a moment of anticipation and excitement, as the peanuts are on their way to becoming a beloved staple in households around the world. Section 5. From shell to smoothness. Peeling and grinding. After roasting, the peanuts cool down before moving on to the next stage, peeling. The cooled peanuts are fed into a peeling machine. This ingenious contraption gently removes the outer skin. The peeling machine employs a combination of friction and suction. This efficiently separates the peanut kernels from their skins, minimizing waste. The peeled peanuts, now ready for grinding, reveal a smooth, slightly oily surface, evidence of the roasting process's transformative power. Section 6. Blending and testing. Crafting the perfect consistency. The transformation from peanut to peanut butter reaches its pinnacle in the grinding and blending stage. The peeled peanuts are ground into a smooth paste. This is achieved using industrial-grade grinders. These grinders employ powerful blades or grinding stones. They work tirelessly to break down the peanuts into a creamy, homogeneous mass. During the grinding process, additional ingredients may be added. These can include sugar, salt, or oil. Section 7. Packaging and preservation, ensuring freshness. This is a crucial step in ensuring that the peanut butter reaches consumers in the best possible condition. The final stage of the journey involves packaging the peanut butter. This stage is not just about containment, but about preserving the essence of the product. It is packaged in a way that preserves its freshness and flavor. The process is meticulously designed to lock in the rich, creamy texture and the nutty aroma that peanut butter lovers cherish. Automated machines fill jars with precise amounts of peanut butter. These machines are calibrated to ensure consistency in every jar, maintaining the high standards of quality that consumers expect. The jars are then sealed airtight to prevent oxidation and maintain quality. This airtight seal is crucial as it keeps the peanut butter fresh for a longer period, preventing spoilage and preserving its nutritional value. The packaging often features eye-catching designs. These designs are not just for aesthetics, they also provide important information about the product, including nutritional facts and ingredients. These designs proudly display the product's Taiwanese origin. This not only highlights the quality and authenticity of the product but also connects consumers to the rich heritage and tradition of Taiwanese food production. The packaged jars of peanut butter, ready for distribution, represent the culmination of a meticulous process, a testament to the dedication of every individual involved in its creation. From the farmers who grow the peanuts to the workers who oversee the packaging, every step is taken with care to ensure that the final product is something we can all be proud of. The journey from farm to table is a complex one, but it is this attention to detail that ensures the peanut butter you enjoy is always fresh and delicious. Section 8. A Global Delight. The allure of Taiwanese peanut butter. Taiwanese peanut butter, with its rich flavor, smooth texture, and commitment to quality, has garnered global recognition. This delectable spread has become a favorite not just in Taiwan, but across the globe. Its unique taste and consistency make it a versatile ingredient, perfect for a variety of culinary applications, from simple sandwiches to gourmet dishes. It is savored by peanut butter enthusiasts worldwide. From children enjoying it as a snack, to adults incorporating it into their daily meals, Taiwanese peanut butter has found a special place in the hearts and kitchens of many. Its appeal transcends age and culture, making it a universal delight. The secret behind its success lies in the meticulous attention to detail at every stage of production. Every jar of Taiwanese peanut butter is a result of a carefully monitored process that ensures the highest standards of quality and taste. This dedication to excellence is evident in every spoonful. This begins with the selection of premium peanuts. Only the best peanuts, known for their rich flavor and high nutritional value, are chosen. These peanuts are then subjected to rigorous quality checks to ensure they meet the stringent standards set by the industry. From the fertile fields of Yunlin and Chiayi to the state-of-the-art factories, Taiwan's peanut butter industry represents a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. The fertile soil and favorable climate of these regions contribute to the superior quality of the peanuts, while modern technology and innovative techniques ensure that the peanut butter produced is of the highest quality. It is a testament to Taiwan's prowess in food manufacturing. The country's ability to combine traditional methods with cutting-edge technology has resulted in a product that is both authentic and contemporary. This unique approach has set Taiwanese peanut butter apart from its competitors. As the world increasingly embraces the delight of this nutty spread, Taiwanese peanut butter stands poised to captivate taste buds and solidify its place as a global culinary treasure. Its growing popularity is a testament to its exceptional quality and the hard work of those who produce it. Whether enjoyed on a slice of bread, in a smoothie, or as part of a more elaborate dish, Taiwanese peanut butter continues to win over new fans every day. Its journey from the fields of Taiwan to tables around the world is a story of passion, dedication, and a commitment to excellence.